landed at the next location.
Location number 2. I think your tire's a bit low, you know, front one. Yeah, it's a bit down. Have a good day and thank you very much. Thank you.
That's how you keep the police sweet, mate. Yeah, we just landed at the third location. Please keep locking it all up. Yo, people, our hands are fucking freezing, blood. They're gonna fucking fall off. But yeah, hope the footage come out good. The police kept locking everything off. Yo. Police kept locking the locations off and telling us to get back in the car. Otherwise, I would have done some cinematics and road matches and all of that. Yo guys, I just landed at a new location. I had to take a quick 1 hour break, had to head back home quickly. Yo guys, we finally managed to catch up with the pack. I don't know if the lighting's too good. I'm doing my best to make it come out as good as I can, but it is proper dark around here. So guys, I had to bounce from that spot. The feds are pulling up. Yeah, I'm in the video here still, but it's too hot to carry the waves. Rest in peace, Tezza. Make sure you lot drive safe. Yo guys, I don't know if you can hear that, but it sounds like a police siren. I think I've just done my turbo in. It was on his way out anyway. It's been on here for I think
145 miles an hour top speed we got out, yeah, last second.
As soon as it touched 145, I think it just went bang. Yeah, I think we're gonna have to do a turbo rebuild now. Not sure if you're okay. It sounds like a police siren. I haven't got no white smoke though.
A few moments later.